So I called in to I called into the surgery place just to kind of check on everything. I was feeling a little apprehensive. I kind of snuck in this last blood work on a Sunday before a holiday, and I did speak to them today, and they said that the surgeon and the anesthesiologist received my updated blood work and cleared me for surgery. So it took a little minute to set in, but I came into the bedroom to change and I saw myself in the mirror, including my chest, and I had this moment where I was like, oh, in 48 hours, like I'll be, going into the operating room. In a few days, I'm not gonna look like this anymore. I'm not gonna have this same chest. And I kind of took a look at it and just realized like how excited I am for that to be true. A part of the way that I coped with my dysphoria is that I used a combination of avoidance and acceptance. I tried to find a sweet spot in there. One thing I did is I tried to just accept the fact, this is the body I have, this is the body I'm gonna be in. You know, I might as well make it livable and experience my life while I'm in it. And the other part of me was like, just never ever looking at my chest. Like, I used to be able to wear sports bras and kind of get some compression from that, but my rib cage became too sensitive to that kind of like pressure. So I stopped being able to wear them comfortably. And that was a couple years ago now, 2 years ago probably. And in the time since, I have experienced a lot more dysphoria because I have this sensation of like my raw chest, you know, with no coverage, sort of like being visible under my shirts. And I had to just, the way I dealt with that was by just never looking at it, never thinking about it, by almost just pretending that it wasn't true. Just accepting that, like, or just avoiding it even. In my head, I looked a different way and I just never bothered to reference a mirror to allow it to disprove me. That's a big part of it. But in the mirror this morning, I saw specifically what I try to avoid seeing. And then I realized I just am not gonna have to see it anymore. And I can't even wait for what that's gonna feel like. I'm just, again, shocked at how quickly this all came up. I mean, it took forever, right? Over a year and a half or so. But this part of it, the part where I found out that I was gonna have surgery and then now I'm having surgery, feels like it was so quick. I'm just thinking about like pictures that I have from this vacation that I was just on and how I'm looking at myself and being like, oh, I don't like how my chest looks in this photo. I don't want to share this. I don't want other people to see this. And I know that I'm not going to have to feel that way anymore. I'm feeling excited. I'm feeling excited.